Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to block spam calls and messages on Vivo V50 Lite 5G. If you're using Vivo V50 Lite 5G and now you want to block your spam calls and messages on your phone, so let's see how you can do this. You just have to open your phone call app and here just go to three dots in the top right corner, then settings here, and here just select caller ID and spam. And here you must have to enable these two settings, which is see caller and spam ID and the filter spam calls. It will prevent suspended spam calls from disturbing you, and after that just go back. If you are still having an issue of spam calls, you just have to keep a long press on the number and then select log and report spam. And here you have to enable this one, which is report call as spam, and then select block. In this way you can easily block spam call on your phone. After that just go back, go to messages app, and here just select any spam number which is disturbing you. Just have to keep a long press on it, then select three dots in the top right corner, then block. And in this way you can easily block and reports as a spam to your Google Messages app. So that's how you can easily block spam calls and messages on Vivo V50 Lite 5G phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.